In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Behance to create an attractive portfolio. That is how to add your portfolio to Behance. Behance is a creative platform, a freelancing platform for designers to showcase their work and be hired. So when you come here to Behance, you see quite a number of portfolios. You see quite a number of people offering their services. You can see this one is a pro seller. This one is a regular seller. The first thing we want to do is to come up here and sign up for Behance. So Behance is owned by Adobe. So if you have an Adobe account, you can sign up. But I'm just going to click to sign up here. Right off the bat, Behance prompts me to log in either with Gmail or Facebook or Apple or Microsoft or Line. I think this is Kakao Talk. I'm not going to use any of those. I'm going to just add my email address and my password and move to the next stage. Right now, I'm brought to this next stage. I'm just going to say, and I'm going to put my other name. I'll choose my date of birth. I'll say January 1900. And then my country of residence, I'll just leave it to be Canada. You can put whatever it is you desire. And then I'm going to click on create account. And it's going to load for quite a while. Now that it's done loading, it brings me to this dashboard and it's prompting me to choose whether I'm a creator or I want to hire someone. I'm going to say I'm a creative or a freelancer. I'll click here. Now it's asking me what's my area of specialty. I'll say graphic design, UI, UX, and let's just see 3D art. Go to the next. It now brings me to this particular page and it's asking me to join the upgrade, to upgrade to the premium version. I'll say no. And then it gives me this prompt, start a motherboard, share your own work and all that. So if I take a look at these people's work, I'll just look at their work in another tab. You can see these are their works. Quite impressive. So these should be illustrators too. So the first thing I want to do after this is to share my work. I'm going to click on share work. Now it brings me to this page. Mind you, in Behance, you can use all of this to build your own portfolio. You can add images, text, photo grid, video and audio. You can embed links. You can use Lightroom, prototype, 3D and all that to design your portfolio here. But I don't think that's the best way to go. The best way to go, in my opinion, what we're going to be using is Canva. So I'll come to this next page and I'm just going to click on Canva. Now that I'm on the Canva dashboard, I'm going to click on create a design and I'm going to search here portfolio graphic design. I made a typo. I'm going to search that and I'm going to come here, click on the first search result. Now Canva gives me quite a number of templates. It's brought my canvas here and it gives me some templates. If I go back, let's say we want to do this search in a more visual way. We could just say portfolio graphic design. Let's see the different portfolios here, the different designs. And you can see them, you see quite a number of them. So most of these you can use for free. Take for example, you see this one, freelance design portfolio. This one is free. If you see a crown by this one, like by this one, then know for sure that you need Canva Pro in order to be able to use that. You can see this one too, is Canva Pro. And then you can see this one. It's actually very, very free. So I'm going to click on this particular one. And you can use quite a number of them. So these are, you see, you can use them and customize them using them for your own purpose. I'm going to click on customize this template, and it brings me to this page. As a graphic designer, I like the colors that are being shown here, and you can change them. You can change the colors. You can change the colors of this text here. You can also change this one, and you can use whatever it is you desire. You can also change all of this here, use your own designs and add them here. And at the same time, if you decide that you want something else, if you want something else, you could use that something of a different, let's say, a different orientation. You can do that. I'll just come back here and type this and then click here, and it's going to give me portfolio designs of a different orientation. Now you can see other portfolio items which you can use, other designs. This one is a pro. This one on this side, these two are pro. All of these are pro. You see this one is free, and you can make your choice. Now in my case, I'm just going to choose something very simple. I'll click on this particular one, and you see it shows the word portfolio, but you could change this to anything. Let's just say you could see graphic, or designer. You see designer. You can change this name here to anything. Let's just say highway, and you could also change this to anything. You see this is just some image being used here. You could use anything which you desire, and then after doing that, you could just click on share and download this, and it's going to be downloaded onto your computer. Now that my portfolio is downloaded, I'll come back to Behance, and I'll come back here on image, and I'm just going to upload my download. Let me check that it hasn't downloaded yet. I'll close this. Now it's downloaded. I'll check that again, and here it is. You just upload that, and then you can click on continue. Now you see it's loaded. It's already loading on the background, and you can click on continue, and you save, and that's how you add your portfolio to Behance. Thank you for watching. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video too. God bless you. Peace.